In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Google Drive to locate specific files using its built-in search features. With Google Drive, managing your documents, spreadsheets, and media files becomes significantly easier, but knowing how to search your drive can save you time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to start by heading over to Google Drive. Begin by opening up your web browser, type in drive.google.com and press enter. Once you're there, make sure you are logged into your Google account to access your stored files. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password. Now that you're on Google Drive's main page, let's focus on the top section where you'll find a search bar prominently displayed. This search bar is your gateway to finding exactly what you need quickly and easily. Click on the search bar where it says Search in Drive. By doing so, you activate Google Drive's powerful search capabilities. You might notice a drop-down arrow next to the search bar, which provides options for more advanced search features. But for now, let's focus on the basic, straightforward search. With the search bar ready, go ahead and type in the name of the file you're looking for. As you start typing, Google Drive will auto-suggest possibilities based on your input, which can be incredibly helpful if you're not sure of the exact name of the file. These suggestions often reflect your most frequently accessed or recently modified files, so keep an eye on them as you type. If you see the file you're looking for appear in the suggestions, you can click it to access it directly. Once you've entered the full name or enough of a keyword to locate the file, press enter. Google Drive will process your query and display a list of all matching files. This list will include all files with names, contents, or even collaborators that match your search term. You can scroll through and select the file you need from here, and that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly find any file within your Google Drive, saving yourself precious time and improving your efficiency. Whether you're managing personal documents or collaborating on shared projects, knowing how to navigate Google Drive's search feature will be an invaluable tool in your arsenal. Keep in mind that the more organized your files are with clear naming conventions, the easier they will be to find in future searches. Thanks for watching and happy searching.